Oh, I already the eye. Oh no. Oh no. Well, one eye is gonna be kind of wonky. Hello everybody, my name is Ilse coming at you from hobbykr.com with another video. Today we have a let's build and review of the new Fate Grand Order Petitrits plastic model Avenger Jeanne d'Arc Alter. So these are new plastic models that have been coming out for Fate Go. So far they have Mash, Nero in a swimsuit, and we have Alter Jeanne. I know that the female master is supposed to come out, and someone else, but I forget. So these models have been kind of like coming out. People have been talking about them. I don't play Fate Go, but I love the Fate franchise. So when I saw them, I had to buy them. So far I bought Jeanne and I also bought Mash, but I didn't buy Nero because I didn't want to get the swimsuit figure, just because like I don't really want to have swimsuit figures in my house just yet. I'm not there yet. But I thought I would assemble Jeanne with you and let you know how the kit feels and kind of my pros and cons about buying the product. So without any further ado, let's get building. Okay everybody, so let's get started with the unboxing. Here is the box. I have to say I really like the design of this series. I think it's really nice, really clean. I usually hate chibis, which is actually why I don't collect like Nendoroids or anything, because I don't really like the style, but I really like the art for these, and I don't know, something really drew me. I just think Joan looks so good. And these do advertise that you don't need any paint, you don't need any glue, and you only need the cutting pliers. So I have mine here, and I also have this like X-Acto knife thingy. Even though I suck at using it, I probably won't use it. Here we have the front, and here we have the side. Here we have the other side. They show you a few poses of how she looks. And here we have the other side and the back. So you can line them up like this. You can't really see, but this cost me around 16,001. So I think that must be like 13, 14 USD. So these are really well priced. And because I bought it in the Gundam base, it was even more expensive. If you bought it in a different store, it would probably be less. So let's stop talking and open her. And this is what you're gonna find inside. So first, let me show you, we have the instruction manual. Of course, it's really small compared to like a Gundam if you're comparing it to that, but it's just a regular instruction manual. And then everything comes in one bag, which I really like because I think that most models are kind of wasteful. So it is nice that they come in just one bag, everything contained, I guess because it is really small. And as you can see, the flag details and the eyes and all the other intricate details are stickers. So if you mind the eyes being stickers, just be aware of that. So let's open this. Here is a close-up of the stickers again. And here is everything. I like how compact everything is. So here we have her hair. It already has the details of like the crown thingy that she wears. And then we have the base. It's really nice that it comes with a stand. I love that. The face and everything. And here are the details of the flag. I'm gonna start assembling and let you know how it feels and how it's going through the process. But so far it feels really nice. Like this piece feels really sturdy. Everything looks really good. I think this is gonna be a good kit to make. Not that I really know because I'm not really like well versed in those things, but yeah, it feels like it's gonna be good. So this is the first kind of two pieces that I'm putting together, and it feels really sturdy, like really put in there. And I think that's my main issue with plastic models, is that I'm not very delicate, so I really need something that's gonna be sturdy. So far I like how these pieces are getting together. Pull you in a little bit more. That looks better than I expected. Okay, so this is really cute. They have her little hair flick. So here is the hair flick. That is so adorable. I love it. So we're gonna put it all together. Okay, so here we have the head. It feels really good, really sturdy. We can move this hair piece around really liberally. I really like how she looks, and it feels good overall. Okay, so far I do have to note, the pieces are really, really small. So if you have big fingers, this is gonna be a little bit complicated because these pieces are super, super tiny. So I'm having a little bit of trouble because my fingers are bigger. So just keep that in mind, that these pieces are actually really small. So this is one arm. It's really tiny, as you can see. Really, really small. So just keep that in mind. Okay, two arms are done. They're tiny. Cute. The shoes are so cute. Look. They're so cute. They're tiny, I'm telling you. If you have big fingers, this is gonna be impossible. Here's the body. It looks really nice. And everything fits together really well. I'm trying to show you. It looks awesome. And there we have Jeanne. She looks great. And you know, so the head is easy to move. Well, clearly the arms are flimsy, to say the least. So I would be careful with the arms. But overall, I think it looks really good. It feels really delicate to me, so I am not gonna attempt to make any crazy poses. The stickers are really hard to take off the sheet, so be careful with that. Here, it doesn't look that bad from afar, but from up close it looks horrible. Ta-da! Okay, so I'll show you up close and then I'll give you my review and final thoughts. Here is Jeanne with me. The final product I think looks quite nice. I really like the sword belt, the sword itself. The banner I feel like I kind of ruined, but I kind of wanted to give you my pros and cons. So the list of cons first. Let's get the bad stuff out of the way first. The pieces are extremely tiny. If you have big fingers or you're just generally not good with more delicate plastic models, I would say this might be a challenge to build. It was for me. I have in my opinion, I have pretty big fingers and it was like a struggle. The other con is that it's really hard to remove the stickers from the sheet. So as you can see, I really kind of didn't do a good job on the banner just because it was so hard to remove. And then the texture of the stickers is a little bit like rubbery or elastic. So it just made it a little bit weird. So I would say those are my two cons. But the pros are, number one, I think the end product looks awesome. I really like it. I think from afar you wouldn't even be able to tell that I ruined the banner and that I assembled it myself. I think the figure is really, really nice. The instructions are very clear. It's easy to assemble even though the pieces are really small. The other really big pro that I see is that it's super cheap. So this cost me 16,000 won. I think that's about 13 or 14 US dollars. And that's only because I bought it in the Gundam base, which is like more expensive. If I had bought it in a different store, for example, MASH, I bought in a different store, it cost me 12,000 won. So that's around 7 or 8 US dollars. Super, super affordable. If you're a Fate fan and you can't afford other figures, then this is a great alternative to actually get your hands on some merch, but not have to like spend pretty much anything. And my final pro is that the pieces assemble really well, like they bond really well together, so it feels sturdy even though it's very, very tiny. And my biggest issue with like Gundams and kind of plastic models in general is that I'm really bad at being delicate, so like if I even just touch it, the arm will fall off. But this one feels pretty sturdy and I love that it comes with its own base. So overall, I quite recommend the model if you are a Fate Go fan or a Fate Apocrypha fan or a Fate in general fan, and I do think that it's quite good value for the price. You can't beat that price. It's really, really cheap, but do keep in mind that the figure is really, really small. I'm really excited to see how it's gonna look with MASH. If you would like me to make a video of MASH, let me know. I think I might do it anyway, but I just thought there were already plenty of videos of her, so I didn't see the point of me doing a review. But if you would like me to do a video of the MASH one, I haven't assembled it yet, so please let me know. Thank you guys for watching. I hope you enjoyed this review. Please check out other reviews. I'll leave the link after this video or like the end card. Other reviews of figures or Gundams that I've done. And follow me on Instagram at hobbykr. Until next time, goodbye!